The sky's falling! The sky's falling!
We are in a crisis. We need to save the world's animal species by protecting various spotlight species.
Good evening, I'm AJ Schoaf.
And I'm Jack Osborne. Welcome to Pack 28 Aerial Flight News.
Tonight we will be talking about saving different spotlight animal species.
These large, well-loved species help promote conservation by getting people to want to protect them. And by conserving these species, we help protect the ecosystem that they depend on. And by protecting the ecosystem, we end up protecting a large number of other species that depend on that ecosystem as well.
That includes animals, birds, insects, and plant species. Here to lead us in one animal's conservation story is Nate.
Thanks, AJ. I'm Nathan Stauffer. Did you know that the American bison is our national mammal? One fact about the bison is that it is the national mammal of the U.S. Another fact is that the male bison can weigh up to 2,000 pounds and stand 6 feet tall. Female bison can weigh up to 1,000 pounds and reach a height of 4 to 5 feet. Next fact is you can see what mood a bison is in by its tail. Bison are really big and they are really fast. They can run up to 35 miles per hour. Bison primarily eat grass, weeds, and leafy plants. Bison can live up to 20 years old. Bison roll around in the dirt to get biting flies away from them. Even though bison are nearsighted, they have great sense of smell and hearing. The American bison became endangered because us humans hunted them until there was a few hundred left. We can help them by not destroying their habitat and not hunting them for their meat and hide. Back to Jack and AJ.
Wow, thanks, Nate. It seems like we should protect the bison for our nation's well-being and identity. Next, we are on location with Cohen, who is standing by in the forest.
Hi, I'm Cohen. I'm on location to talk to you about the bald eagle. Here are some interesting facts about the bald eagle. Size: height 34 to 43 inches. Wingspan 6 to 8 feet. Height weight 6.5 to 14 pounds. The bald eagle is the national bird of our country. Their nests are huge. Nest size 13 feet deep, 8 feet wide, weighs 1 ton. Why was the bald eagle endangered? In the 18th century, the population of the bald eagle was 300,000 to 500,000. In the 1950s, there were 824 bald eagles remained. This was caused by pesticides used by farmers that made their eggs soft. Humans encroaching their habitat is also a cause of their low numbers. How to protect the bald eagle? Using safe pesticides or other safer ways. Protecting their habitat gives them more nesting places. Keep the waterways clean, and clean water means a healthy fish population, means more eagles. Because of this, there are 9,700 nesting pairs and about 150,000 eagles in the wild.
Thanks, Cohen. Up next is Aiden.
Hi, I'm Aiden. Did you know the Sumatran tiger loves swimming in water? The Sumatran tiger is a panther tiger. Its population is 441 to 679. It is critically endangered. Its subpopulation is not larger than 50 individuals. Its lifespan is 15 to 20 years, and its population is decreasing. There is 200 to 250 in captivity. The reason the Sumatran tiger is going extinct and is close to extinction is because of their fur. Their fur is used for selling and trading. Their fur is expensive. We can help the Sumatran tiger by not hunting them for their fur.
Sounds like the Sumatran tiger may become extinct in our lifetime if we don't do something about it. Here to introduce us to our next animal is Austin.
Hi, I'm Austin Seymour. Did you know that the Komodo dragon has a powerful antibacteria found in its saliva that is effective in killing bacteria and even some fungi. Some very interesting facts about the Komodo dragon include Komodo dragons can run up to 13 miles per hour. They can eat up to 80% of their body weight in one feeding. If a Komodo dragon weighs 150 pounds, it can eat up to 120 pounds of food at a time. Komodo dragons are very good swimmers. The primary threat to the dragon's survival include illegal hunting and loss of habitat to human settlement. Only found on the Komodo Island, we could restrict hunting and killing the dragons. We should stop destroying their food supplies and habitat.
Thanks, Austin. That sounds like a fascinating reptile. And now Jack will introduce us to your animal.
Thanks, AJ. I'm going to introduce you to the endangered animal, the wolf. Wolves gained protection by the Endangered Species Act in 1974. During that time, wolves had virtually vanished from all but one state. Some wolf facts are an average speed for a wolf is 31 to 37 miles per hour. Their average pack size is 5 to 8 members. Their territory is 25 to 150 square miles. And their favorite food is hoofed animals. Their threats to survival are loss of habitat, human development, and human persecution. Humans can help wolves by continuing legal protections, non-lethal livestock protection. Another way we can help is to educate the people on wolves' importance in the ecosystem. And now back to you, AJ, to talk about our last animal of the evening, sperm whales.
That's right, Jack. Sperm whales are endangered. Several factors contribute to whales' current endangered status, such as overfishing, pollution, dams, bridges, construction, boating, and commercial whaling. Still, commercial whaling has had the largest effect on the endangered status of today's whale populations. Interesting facts. They have huge heads and possess the largest brain of any creature that has ever lived on Earth. Ways to protect sperm whales: protecting their habitat, reducing bycatch, rescue, disentanglement, and rehabilitation, eliminating the harassment of animals through education and enforcement.
As you can see, these are just a few of our world's animal species that are interesting, important, and in need of our care and protection.
And by protecting these large animals and the ecosystem that they live in, we can protect hundreds more.
Thank you for joining us tonight on Pack 28's Aerial Flight News. Remember that to be clean in your outdoor manners and be conservation minded. Good night.
Good night.